Consideration of the status of beings. If something would benefit lower beings, such as animals, but harm higher ones, such as humans, do not act for the benefit of the lower. Even if an action would harm some animals, if it would benefit humans and the like, then act for the humans' benefit. The same principle applies with regard to ordinary people and practitioners of Dharma, and among practitioners with regard to sravakas and bodhisattvas. Consideration of the number of beings. If many beings would be helped and few harmed, you should act to benefit the many. But if many would be harmed and few helped, do not act. If the numbers and the help and harm would be equal, by relying on teachings of skillful methods of protection from harm, you will succeed in helping. Consideration of this and future lives. If it would benefit others in both this life and those to come, you should act to benefit them by all means. Whenever it would benefit neither life, you should not act. If it would help in this life but harm in future ones, do not act. Even if it would harm in this life, if it would help in the next, being skillful with methods to protect this life from harm, you should act to benefit the next.